Sachi, I'm gonna go back to vlogging again. What do you think?
That's kind of long.
Yeah, kids are all grown up now because of the gaps in the video. So Sachi, I've completed the video of our house construction from the very beginning to the end. All I need is a video of the whole house when it was finished. Go!
That's in the slide.
Sachi, help ko yan. At pagkatapos nating ma-secure yung ating block of land, pwede na tayong magsimulang magplano tungkol sa pagbibuild ng bahay. Pero para malaman namin kung ano ba yung gusto talaga namin, nagpupunta kami sa mga model houses ng iba't ibang mga builders dito sa Perth. Bali, meron silang mga estate, meron silang mga lugar na magkakatabi yung mga bahay na tinayo ng mga iba't ibang builders para maging display or maging model homes ng mga gustong tumingin ng quality and appearance ng mga bahay na binibuild ng mga iba't ibang builders. How's your homework, Sachi?
I'm just hoping that you're wonderful. Big entrance.
Big entrance. The Gladstone. I'm pretty sure we've seen a house like this before.
Yeah, I like a place this big.
Yeah? It's inviting. It's so inviting.
On our weekend, can we move a part of our house and replace it with a new one? And it's only gonna take 5 hours.
What do you want to do?
Can we rip off a part of our house like this chunk and then add it with a new place? We can add a house connecting to another house.
Parang may gantong ito yung sinisilip natin kanina. Ganda. At ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa supplier ng cabinets at ng mga tiles para makapamili tayo ng selections ng mga cabinets at saka ng mga tiles na gagamitin natin para sa ating build. So, namimili kami dito ni Mami ng design at ng appearance para masabi namin doon sa builder kung anong klaseng item, kung anong item number, anong klaseng tiles yung isasama namin sa aming inclusion.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page.
The ensuite, the laundry and the kitchen splash, yeah?
Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Ngayong natapos tayong mamili ng tiles at ng cabinetry, babalik na tayo dun sa builder para sabihin sa kanila kung ano yung mga nagustuhan natin para matuloy na natin yung ating pre-start selection. It's hard to tell the difference, eh? They're very close to each other.
It's got a little bit of pink in it, but the tile has a tiny bit of blush sort of in it.
So is it the cloud? That's the one that we've chosen?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, flip it over and pop it down here. You've got the name on there too. Yeah, that works really nice.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
At andito kami ngayon doon sa aming pinapatay yung forever home. In-invite kami ng builder namin para witness yung pagpo-pour ng slab o yung pinaka-flooring, yung ground. So ito sila. Stay on the side, okay?
Wow, I feel power. Just last week, this was like...
Yeah. They're very quick.
I can feel the power.
Ay, nakakatuwa lang na ito habang nagbubuo sila ng slab, nandito yung site supervisor. Parang iba talaga yung ano nila, yung kanilang diligence. Iba talaga yung quality ng gawa nitong builder namin. At pagkatapos ng slab pouring stage, ay yung pagbubuhos ng semento para sa sahig at sa foundation ng bahay, na-reach na natin yung tinatawag na bricks and plate height stage. Ito yung stage na kung saan tinatayo na nila yung mga walls ng bahay. Ayan, so makikita nyo, nandito yung mga bricks, may mortar, may mga nakatayong poste, may mga nakatayong guide ng bricks, at nililay na nila yung bricks above dito sa slab para siyang magsilbing walls nitong ating magiging bahay.
Ganito na to kahapon?
Hindi, wala pa tong sa loob. Sa labas pa lang.
So tingin mo nagstay na
Oo, mukhang may nagawa na sila. Hindi naman pa si Moji. Sa bahay.
Hindi yung baba. So okay naman pala. Hindi naman pala ganun kalalim.
So ang nagawa nila ito, yung wala pa yun yung sa kusina. Yung second brick, yung inner brick, yung pula.
Hindi. Can you take me around?
So although kasi simula pa lang nung builder namin naggawin itong mga bricks para sa walls, ang bilis na nilang nakatapos ng maraming parte nitong bahay. At mukhang maayos naman yung kanilang pagkakalatag ng mga bricks. Nakatayo na rin yung mga window frames. Kaya sa maiksing panahon, maraming na-accomplish itong ating builder na to. Okay, so 2 weeks ago, natapos na namin yung plate height stage ng bahay. And ngayon, nandito na kami sa roof stage. So naglalagay na sila ng mga timber. Naglalagay na sila ng mga timber trusses, tapos susunod na yung roof sheeting. So ito, tingnan nyo. And pwesto muna tayo dito sa may backyard, sa may likuran ng bahay, para dito natin makita kung ano bang itsura nitong bahay mula dito. Malaki talaga yung iniwan namin na space dito sa backyard kasi gusto namin magkaroon ng garden at gusto rin namin na magkaroon ng swimming pool kapag natapos itong bahay. Kaya malaki yung iniwan namin na space para sa swimming pool na ipapalagay later on. And at the same time, meron ka pa rin decent na outdoor space kasi gusto sana namin malaki talaga yung swimming pool na mailagay dito. So after nating magbakasyon ng 7 weeks, bumisita tayo dito sa ating pinapatayong bahay para makita natin kung ano ba ang naging progress niya after the 7 weeks. Ito na siya. So tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya sa loob. Meron na siyang bubong. Bricks pa lang to nung umalis kami. Tapos shortly after the Christmas break, mukhang tumuloy kagad sila ng paggawa, kaya bilis silang natapos. Muji is so happy with the house.
So big. If you were here in person, it's big. Super big. But not too big.
Ayan, so medyo advanced na yung marami na yung natapos yung builder namin kahit na wala kami. So the past 7 weeks, even if nagsara yung kanilang office para sa holiday, marami pa rin silang nagawa. Very happy kami sa naging progress nitong aming bahay kahit na kami nakabakasyon. So tapos na yung bubong. Ang susunod na nito yung sa loob. Maglalagay sila ng mga kisame, i-render, ipapalitado yung mga loob ng walls. Tapos lock up stage na yon. So hopefully siguro mga 5 more months mula dito bago matapos. Okay, a week after namin bumalik galing sa bakasyon, may panibagong progress dito sa bahay. So natapos na yung rendering ng harap ng bahay, pati yung paglalagay ng plaster doon sa internal walls. So yun titingnan natin ngayon. Naka-render na yung labas. Nice.
Hindi naman titig na lahat. Yes,
Heto talaga yung pinakapangarap dito Yung pagpasok mo sa loob ng bahay habang nakatayo ka sa gitna ng living room, tanaw mo yung swimming pool. Na bukas yung mga walls ng aming rear living space. Ayan. So mapa living room or kung nasa dining room ka man or sa kusina, makikita mo yung backyard at yung swimming pool. Hello, what's up everyone? So andito kami ngayon para mamili ng swimming pool. Ito, laki nito. Ito ba yung Westminster?
Ito pag nasisikata ng araw, di ba?
Oh. You like this, Muji?
So hot.
So this is the shallow end.
They're all shallow. No, never mind.
Sana kung yung TV nandito sa wall.
Tapos nakaharap sa bahay, ano?
Oo, tama ba ako?
Oo. Kaso mangyari yan, yung shallow end niya, malayo sa alfresco natin.
Parang sa akin okay lang. Imagine mo to, ito, ito yung alfresco mo. Alfresco mo, tapos dito ka i-enter.
Sa bagay, kung may nalulunod na bata, nasa alfresco ka, madaling puntahan, ano? So Muji, what do you think about the pool?
Oh, it's so good when it's
Imagine ko na.
You like this? Ganito rin? material? 1.8. Kasi taas ng color band fence. 1.8 meters yun eh.
Nandito ano mo, motor. Tapos shed.
Hindi, yung motor palalagay natin doon sa side ng shed. Sa may bandang sulok.
Kasi motor kasi, pwede naman yung tingan eh.
Ito 7 meters.
7 by 4.
Oo, 7x4.
Pero gusto to ni Muji, yung flooring na to.
Ganito?
Yeah, but also it's slippery, so depends what
And
she
I don't
says.
think it's slippery. These are meant to be for full size ko yan.
So okay din to, dito yung entry mo, pero andun yung may maupuan ka rito. May hindi, ledge lang pala yun.
Ledge lang.
Ito, grandeur. 8 meters.
I wonder if I grow up and get a house, I'll make one rooms big enough for it to have a pool inside.
Inside, yeah. Well,
So it's
well, you need to be successful when you
very
grow old.
successful.
Yeah,
I will.
very good. So you can have an indoor pool.
Yeah, but then there would be no reason to it since it's inside, not outside. And it's gonna
So hindi ganitong kulay yung gusto mo, aqua dive.
Hindi. Ito din ba yung pinapili mo si Muji? Sachi?
Oo, 3 and 7.
Ito yun.
Ito,
Ano number to? 2?
2. So ito yung nagustuhan naming kulay, Hawaiian sand. Pero meron pang isang kulay na malapit doon sa gusto namin. Kaya titingnan namin. Kapwedeng yun na lang. Tapos ito, maganda talaga yun, may maupuan ka pa sa sa gilid.
Kabilang side.
Oo.
Pero deep end yan, di ba?
Alin? Hindi yun.
Ano na deep end?
Ito. Tumakaupo ka pa rin doon sa deep end. Pero yun, nakita mo yun, marami kang pwedeng maupuan. Mukhang ito rin yung magandang pergola na magaya. May ganito na decking. Ano ba to? Bricks? Oh, pag may ganito kang malaki. Kaya mga ipapagaya natin yung ganito para meron din tayong outdoor area near the pool. Yan yung pebble gray. Oo.
Ano yung feminist kabila?
3 and 7.
Ano yung sa kulay?
So ito, pebble gray. Ito yung preferred namin kulay, pebble gray. Tingin ko ang naka-apekto doon sa nagustuhan natin nun is the fact na direct hit ng sunlight tapos maraming movement yung tubig. Yung may jet na gano'n, na gumagalaw yung tubig. Nagkikreate ng ganong ano.
Ito medyo hindi makita kasi matakpan na.
Oo, kaya dito ako tumingin. go.